how to merge expenses in Expensify. So I'll show you how we can do this. So let's get started. So firstly, open up Expensify and log into your Expensify account. So once you've logged into your Expensify account here, so what you're going to do is click on your account tab, which is on your left side here. So click on the accounts tab, and then here you'll have an option here. If you scroll all the way down under general, you'll see there's an option called switch to Expensify Classic, because the merge option is only available on the Classic version. So for that reason, we're going to switch to Expensify Classic. So click on it, and it's going to ask you a few questions, so you can just answer these. So when you answer this, please tell us why you are leaving. Just select the first option, which says I need a feature that's only available in the Expensify Classic. Click on next, and then you're going to type here what feature. Just simply merge or merging, you can just say that. Hit on next, and then that's it. Click on switch to Expensify Classic. Okay, so switch that and it will get back to you to the Classic version. Once you're on the Classic version here, you can go to your expenses tab. So click on the expenses tab. So for example, you have two expenses here, so select the expense that you want to merge, click on it, and then click on the other one here. So when you select two expenses, you will see the merge option here. All you have to do is click on the merge option, and you can customize and add these details, edit this if you want to. And once that's done, click on save, and that's it. Your expenses will be merged, and that's how you do it. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in a new video.